Okay, this problem, example number 2, says approximate the square root of 48 to the nearest integer without using a calculator. So I guess what they're asking me is about what is the square root of 48. It's not something pretty, right? Because 48 is not a perfect square, so it's going to be an irrational number. But they said do this without using a calculator, so they're really just asking me what's it close to. Okay? Well, let's think about this. We said the square root of 48, it's not a perfect square, but it's less than the square root of 49. That is a perfect square. And it's greater than the square root of 36, which is also a perfect square. So guys, you need to kind of review, try and get this memorized really. 1 is a perfect square, that's 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, 6 times 6, 7 times 7, 8 times 8, 9 times 9, 10 times 10, 11 times 11, and 12 times 12. And you know what? They think that all those standardized tests think that you stop there with your times tables, so you need to know 13 times 13. They use it all the time. It's 169. Okay? So now I know it's between these two perfect squares, 36, right, and 40, square root of 36 and the square root of 49. But I'm going to simplify these. This is 6, and this one's 7. But which one's it closer to? Clearly it's going to be closer to 49, the square root of 49, which is 7, right? So it says approximate root 48 to the nearest integer. Well, root 48 is approximately 7. Not quite, but it's close, like 6.9 something. In fact, I'll type it in my calculator just for you guys, and you can too. Second, square root button, 48, enter, and I get 6.92820,323. Do you think that's where it stops? No, that's just where my calculator stops. This goes on forever. All right? Good job, folks. I'll see you at example 3.